Dun dun. Dun dun. What's up, minion pawners, and welcome to the channel, the very first video. So, you know, gotta be pretty excited about that one. But as you can see, yes, we are playing Peter Jackson's King Kong, the official game of the movie. It's a bit of a weird one, this one. You know, made by Ubisoft, known for things such as Rayman's Raving Rabbids, also, obviously, TMNT. So, King Kong, the official game of the movie. Oh, whoa. Some high-octane gameplay right here. Some action. Whoa, look at that scary dinosaur. Look, big monkey. Ooh, monkey. Ooh, ooh. Anyway, Peter Jackson's King Kong, the official game of the movie. Let's hop right in. You ready for my favorite part? You ready? Wow. Love that. One thing you need to know about this game as well, it actually has Kung Fu Panda Jack Black. You know, everyone loves Jack Black. You're also a gamer now. Any gamers in the chat? Any gamers in my fans? Let's name ourselves, let's go with Boris. Why is the S capital? Do you know what? It doesn't matter. Boris. Adventure. That's what we're doing. We're going on a great adventure. Oh, my hands! Ew, what the... the sound. So immersive, really makes you oh, what the... It is... Hold on. It is the wrong way. It's inverted. Why would I want that? Alright. There we go. Oh. Here we are, lads. Feel the salt on your lungs. The sea breeze, boys. Take it in. Man's got the pasty white skin, the drip, the Peaky Blinder cap, the checkered Target shirt, the briefs on, the shoes on check, Nike drip. Here we go. It's kind of like breathtaking. I've never felt more like I am on a boat with my old man, Kung Fu Panda Jack Black, the gamer, and my two friends Carl and Lenny. Well, forgot which one, but it's fine. Yeah, you just take in the sea breeze, boys. The air on our lungs rock. Oh. Oh, Oh. Ugh.
Hey, Jack.
Whoa. She's a bit close. Alright, can you please go away? Get at personal space. Get away. Get away, get away. Jeez, woman. Please give... Oh,
God. We can't just leave him there.
I know. Hayes is trying to contact Engel.
damn. He read? He read, though? Red man, red man. Alright. Here we are. Oh, we can punch. This is for making Gulliver's Travels, Jack Black.
Too dark.
I've got something that should help.
Whoa. Hey, we only just met, but I mean, like... we can...
Ready? Let's get
No.
Shh. Look. Oh, I know I got it. He's fantastic. Jack, come here. I got a weapon for you.
He's got a weapon for me.
Hayes on millimeter.
Damn, we already got the pistol. I'm a god. I'm a god. I'm absolutely a god. It's okay, Jack Black. We can get together. So oh, they're asking for you, Jack. No? No? Oh. Can she just... Damn, she's got good reflexes. Oh, fuck. Never mind. Immersion. No. These doors, let me tell you, when I was a kid, I could not get this right. Let's see.
Hang on, Jack. I'm coming.
See, they just don't move. I can put them under, over, oh. And then you try change, and then these guys change. And
Are you ready?
you like this shot, Jack? You like this shot, Jack Black?
Ready, Jack?
Monkey. I can't, oh. I thought I ran out of bullets.
Gotta reload.
These hermit crabs ain't got nothing on me. What is this game? Lanky 20. Carl, I don't know. Pick up a bone. I'm picking up a... Oh. What the... Wait, is this where we see Monkey? I don't really remember. I remember something. Oh! It's a big boy. It's a big boy. Bones broke. Bones broke. It's fine. It's fine, guys, I got it. You know, they're just trying to open the door over here. I'm out here just shooting big old Spider-Man in the head. Easy. I am a god. There's no other explanation. Oh, now they get the door open. Oh, she... What?
Do you hear that? It sounds like a plane.
Oh, does it?
Englehorn. He spotted our distress signal.
There's... Oh, he...
Down here!
Oh.
Captain Englehorn, we're here!
I'm pretty sure Mr.
He's leaving.
Englehorn
Why
just
isn't he
absolutely... Oh,
Has to find a stretch of water.
whoa!
Over there!
He's dropped something.
He did not drop... He literally nosedive into the ocean, came, tried to kamikaze us, and now you're saying, oh, you dropped us something? Nah. Let's grab it, though.
Gotta get what's in the case.
Oh, a whole-ass shotgun. How do I... I would get what's in the case of... Oh. Oh, no, never mind, I can't shoot. I kind of thought that.
But be careful, they're loaded.
If you like what you see, Jack Black. He's so delirious. Keep calling me Jack. He actually Jack, though. You like it when I, Yeah, you like that one? This is gonna be a pretty boring-ass movie. Oh, As you can see, favorite game. Best game. I love Peter Jackson's King Kong, the official game of the movie.
Get over here and help me.
No, not the doors again. You guys did it fine by
We can
yourselves.
go now.
The
Only one more to find. Right into the post. I think it's some kind of lever.
I don't know, it kind of looks like a crucifix. What do you know what a lever looks like? Lever man. Please know that I said Leatherman, not Leatherman. We're not like that on this channel. We're levering. This is half the game, and I love it. This is literally half the game. I can already tell you. I'll do a lever compilation later on.
Plus, you get to be in a Carl Denham picture. What else do you want?
Who wouldn't want to be in Carl Denham's picture? I'll tell you something, guys. I want to be in Carl's denim. You know what I mean? Get him them jeans. Hey, Carl. Nah, speedrun, boys. Speedrun, boys. Speedrun, boys.
You okay?
What?
Bring it ashore over here.
Who's even talking? Oh,
We'll never make it. Yes, you will.
Oh.
Land as soon as you can.
it's fine. I'm just gonna head away, boys. You enjoy yourself.
Let's go. First thing we have to do is find some place for the plane to land.
Bones. Bone City. And this is the other function of the game. So this game is literally lever and burn simulator. I absolutely love Peter Jackson's King Kong official game of the movie. Walking like a true gamer. Sup gamer. I crank 90s on these. I've got no bullets. Oh. Oh, Jack Black, no. No. Seeing red, boys.
Losing blood.
Oh, you reckon?
Nice shot.
Oh, I got his pistol. My man's had bullets but wasn't even shooting. This says a lot about society.
We can go now.
And we couldn't before. I'm sorry, what? Where can we go?
Had your fill of real life yet?
Anne, come on, let's get a couple of shots of you in front of this statue.
Excuse me, Mr. Denham. Shouldn't we concentrate
It's
on finding
okay.
Preston and the others?
You can get a couple of shots of me in front of the statue.
Cans of film with 'em.
Damn. Mocap be really in. Oh, what? Where? Oh, there's more. I'm actually a god at this game. Oh, stuck him to the wall. Oh, bird. Oh, absolutely dumpstered that bird. Yummy meal. Hopefully it doesn't start spreading a global pandemic. For someone who is able to do the whooshy finger hold, whooshy them. Whooshy them. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa.
Anne!
No comment. It's all good. I'm gonna mind my own business. Ooh!
I'm coming with you!
Are you crazy?
I know what I'm doing.
Maybe she is King Kong. She is Monkey all along. If you guys have never seen King Kong, spoiler alert, she f***s the monkey.
Hurry! We'll meet up at the top. Call the plane and get out of this hellhole.
Well, just come up here. Just do what she did. Just climb around. Make your way up here. Men, am I right? I'm lost. I'm lost. I am lost. Is there bones anywhere? Oh, nah, look at that. Spears. I'm a pro. What can I say? Yeah, listen. They were. Oh my god. Imagine just running straight into a fire. Big Hero 6, actually.
Get out of this nightmare.
Oh!